Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own dirt, sand, and gravel tamper um, by using some steel plate that you may have or you might get for free, um, and uh, another part that you'll have to buy is the like this pipe here, which is 1¼ inch by 5 inch long. Um, and you're also going to need a handle. They usually sell them at the box stores, uh, home improvement stores, for like shovels or tools of that sort. This one here actually has a little bevel on the end, but that's okay. As you can see, I actually sanded it down to the length of that nipple that I got, and also to the diameter, so that it will slide um, in there. I also went ahead and pre-drilled 2 holes on the nipple, so when the handle slides over, this goes all the way down. The edge is going to be flush with this end here, and then I'm going to use these 2 screws here to secure the handle onto the nipple. I'm also going to weld this nipple here onto the plate, pretty much in the center, like so. The orientation of the holes doesn't matter. And what I did was, to find the center, I just drew some lines across corner to corner, found my center, put the nipple in there, traced around it, and then went ahead and cleaned it up by grinding a good section, so that when I weld it, I still have plenty of space to put a nice weld around it. What's the size that you want to get is, like, ideally it's like between 10 by 10 up to a 12 by 12. Mine is 12¾ by 11, and that's going to work just fine, like I said. And it doesn't have to be diamond plate like mine. I just happened to pick up this scrap piece from a co-worker of mine, and it actually had a handle on here. They use this as like a drain stopper or something for like a parking lot. But anyway, also a 1/4 inch thick. You can see how thick it is. It's preferable. And with this design, I'm not going to have any gussets right now. But for what I'm going to use it for, it's going to be just fine. But later I'll go ahead and add some gussets, 4 of them, in the same direction as the corners, because all the other ones you buy at the store, that's how they come. Also, you're going to need a drill with a 9/32 drill bit for drilling the pilot holes on the handles for the screws after the handle is installed on the nipple, and also a drill driver to go ahead and drill down the screws. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set up my trusty welder, and today I'm using the Lincoln Electric Weld Pack 100, and I have my heat setting set on the highest, which is D, and my speed is set at 2, which is recommended inside the side panel for 1/4 inch material, which is the max that this welder can do. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up, and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and set up my welder, and what I'm going to do is put a couple of tacks on 4 sides, and then proceed to go ahead and weld all the way around. And I'm going to do that now. So the discoloration on the back side of the plate tells me that I should have gotten some good penetration on the weld. Looks like a perfect circle almost. And as you can see, the welds look pretty good. It's been a while since I welded, but it looks pretty good. And also the reason why I used a piece of wood on the bottom of the plate, because I know it was going to get pretty hot back there, and if not, it would have burnt through my plastic work table here. So there it is. Now I'm going to let this cool off for a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and install the handle and the screws. Now also, I was going to try just to double check it to make sure, see how level it was. And it's inside the bubble from left to right, and this one isn't too bad, but that's alright. I mean, it's off by a hair. So that's alright. It's okay. It's not a tool that needs to be perfect. But like I said, I'm going to let it cool off for a little bit, and then go ahead and show you how to install the handle. Okay, the pipe has a chance to cool off, so I'm going to go ahead and install that handle until it goes all the way down, and then pre-drill the pilot hole, and then put the 2 screws in, and then that'll be it. I'm going to take it off the platform, put it on the ground, since it's a little more sturdier platform to pound it in. As you can see, it's all the way down to where my mark was, which means the tip is actually sitting right on top of at the bottom of the plate. And when I drill these 2 holes, it left 2 little burrs on the inside, which is good because it actually made this tighter on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the 2 little holes now and get ready for the screws. Well, there you go, guys. A tamper that you can use on dirt, sand, gravel. And like I said, for right now, because I don't have the gussets there, I'm just going to go ahead and use it on like soft dirt and sand. Once I go ahead and put the gussets on there, then I'll be able to use it for, you know, I guess from 1/4 inch all the way up to like 3/4 inch gravel. Basically all you're doing is using it to, like, when you rake and you want to tamp something down, that's what you're going to use it for. So there it is. Alright, quick and easy, quick and simple. As always, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell button for up and coming videos. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.